Have you tried installing a hydraulic coupler only to find that half the components are wrong, or you have a bag with a bunch of bits and you have no idea where anything goes? We've heard horror stories and we're here to make sure that you never have a problem with the Rhinox Fitting Kit. This is a Rhinox dedicated fitting kit. Each coupler we sell comes with its own dedicated fitting kit which is tailored for that machine make and model. Each kit contains all the necessary hoses, components and ancillaries needed to fit that to the machine. Each kit is designed so it takes as little time as possible to fit and that there's no excess of parts or hose length to make sure that you're more efficient with your time when installing. Alongside each fitting kit we provide a full comprehensive fitting guide and drawing pack which gives you clear detailed instructions on where to install each component and each hose. Not a tattered sheet of paper with unclear diagrams, ours provide clear instructions so they don't hinder you. We know you don't want to be fishing around the bottom of a box trying to understand where parts go, so in our fitting kit we separate everything into 10 separate bags. Each bag is dedicated for a particular part of the fitting kit. For example, bag 8 we use for our solenoid valve assembly. So this includes your solenoid valve, your male adapters and your dowty washers. We don't want you to be wasting time finding the correct part, but with a Rhinox fitting kit, you don't have to. The example we have here is for a Kubota U27, so this requires everything to make the hydraulic quick coupler work. Let's run through the components that are in each fitting kit bag. To skip this section, skip to the timestamp shown on the screen now. So in bag 1, we have our tail hose kit. This includes your tail hoses and your banjo bolts to install them into the HQX. In bag 2, we have our boom hose kit. This includes your full boom hoses, the necessary clamps for that particular model, and your adapters. Bag 3 is your tank return kit. This includes your tank line, the necessary T-piece and adapter to make that fit. Bag 4 is your reversing manifold kit. On this particular model, these are welded directly onto the dipper end. Bag 5 is your pressure switch kit. This includes your pressure switch and your necessary adapters to make that fit. Bag 6 is your pump feed kit. This includes your pressure hose and your T-piece to plumb directly into the machine's pump. Bag 7 is your solenoid valve bracket kit. This includes the solenoid valve bracket which is also tailored for this particular model and the necessary hardware. Bag 8, as mentioned before, is your solenoid valve kit. So this includes your solenoid valve, your adapters for each port and your dowty washers. Bag 9 is your electrical kit. So this includes your control box, your extensions and labels to mark the extensions. Bag 10 is your miscellaneous bag. So this includes your cable ties, your burr sleeve, all the necessary decals and the user guide. Inside bag 10 you'll find your black installation guide envelope which will contain your drawing pack, your fitting guide, your user guide, your 2-year warranty flyer, your 2-year warranty tag with instructions on how to activate that warranty, your dipper decals and your in-cab decals. In order to supply you with the right kit, our team will be in touch to discuss your fitting requirements. We know that not everything can go smoothly, so if you misplace or damage a part, please get in touch because we can get replacement parts sent to you within 1 or 2 days. Should you misplace or break a part, just get in touch with us, and if it's in stock, we can ship one out the same day with delivery between 1 and 2 business days. We always hold plenty of stock on the shelves for this very reason. So there you have it, the simple hassle-free fitting kit supplied with the Rhinox Quick Coupler. If this dedicated fitting kit sounds like a dream, please get in touch and try it out today. My name is Ryan from Rhinox. Bag 10 is your Things don't always go smoothly.